Most homes and businesses send their wastewater to a treatment plant where many pollutants are removed from the water. Wastewater treatment facilities in the United States process approximately 34 billion gallons of wastewater every day. In this video, we are going to recreate the wastewater treatment process in our kitchen.
The water that comes into the treatment facility contains human waste, food scraps, oil, soaps, and chemicals. The first step in the process is pretreatment. This involves removing large objects with bar racks and settling out large particles in a grit chamber. This whole process only takes a few minutes.
We will remove children's toys with our kitchen strainer and let sand and gravel settle out in a bowl. Wastewater facilities have removed kids' toys, bowling balls, and even guns during pretreatment.
The next step is primary treatment. Here, the water goes through the primary clarifier and gravity sedimentation occurs. Primary clarifiers and clarifiers function on the principle of settling velocity. Settling velocity is the speed at which a particle settles. It's important for the flow rate coming in to be less than the settling velocity of particles trying to get removed. Water stays in the clarifier for 2 hours. This process produces sludge that is organic rich and will need further treatment.
Effluent from primary treatment now goes to secondary treatment, which involves the aeration basin and secondary clarifier. The aeration basin contains microbes that work as catalysts in reactions. Here, anaerobic digestion by microbes significantly degrades the biological content of the sewage. In the secondary clarifier, activated sludge is removed and either goes to the landfill or back to the aeration basin. About 85% of all organic matter is now removed from the effluent.
After the secondary treatment, the water goes into tertiary treatment. Tertiary treatment, although not used everywhere, is a process that improves wastewater quality before it is reused, recycled, or discharged into the environment. The treatment removes remaining inorganic compounds and substances such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which can cause algae to grow faster than ecosystems can handle. Significant increases in algae harm water quality, food resources and habitats, and decrease the oxygen that fish and other aquatic life needs to survive.
Lastly, disinfection is used to inactivate pathogens. The 3 ways to disinfect are by using chlorine, UV light, and ozone. Chlorine uses chemicals to kill off bacteria and living organisms. Chlorine is removed before discharge, and after it is used, the water is finally safe to discharge into a lake. UV light scrambles the bacteria's DNA so they can't multiply. The bacteria isn't killed, but sterilized. Pumping in electrical current through water causes O2 to dissociate and combine with free oxygen, forming ozone. Ozone causes microbe cell walls to leak rapid cell decomposition and overall damage to cells. After disinfection, the water is good to drink. Thank you for watching the video.
We hope you learned a lot about wastewater treatment.
And now understand where the stuff you flush down the toilet goes and how it turns into water that you can actually drink.
Shout out Chrissy, Matt, and Emma. We love you. Give us an A.